Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sam. Today I'm here in the beautiful Whistlepipe Gully. I'm going to go through this trail with you and show you all the beauty that is within. Let's go check it out. Now the Whistlepipe Gully circuit is located in the Mundy Regional Park, about 25 kilometres east of Perth. Now this trail is about 3.5 kilometres long, it takes about 1 to 1.5 hours to complete, and it's a class 3 moderate hike. Perfect. I'm also aware that I'm wearing my broken glasses from the Cape to Cape. No judgment. On this loop as well, there are so many trails that just branch off from the main route, so you really can get some unique finds in here. Apparently these are some old ruins left here. Badass. Those ruins we saw before was actually a house that was built here in the 1960s by an architect. However, he didn't seek the proper approval or permits, so it never got finished. But it kind of serves as a little cool historical site that you walk through here. I love this place so much. So gorgeous. If you're finding any value from these videos and enjoying them, please consider subscribing to the channel, hit the like button. There's some amazing, giant, multi-hike journeys coming up that are planned. I'd love for you to watch them and be inspired yourself to get outdoors. Honestly, to me, it's so hard to believe that this is only about 25 minutes from the city. You're literally out in the sticks. Now this trail has a ton of incline, decline, and real uneven rocky surfaces. So you really kind of got to watch yourself when you're walking out here, make sure you don't roll an ankle or anything like that. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any accessibility for any wheelchair, but that's kind of the reason I'm doing this as well. So if you are unable to actually make it out onto trail, I'll do the best I can to try and give you that experience in the luxury of your own home. If you're curious to see exactly which route that I take when I'm doing these hikes, feel free to follow me on Strava. I'll provide a link in the description below for you. Whistlepipe Gully Loop Trail completed. 3.5 kilometres, 1.5 hours. The beauty per kilometre ratio here is super high, so I really recommend that you come out here and check it out. I'll see you at the next hike.